Hello everyone and welcome to the lesson. Today I want to give you a quick introduction to the declension of nouns and adjectives. This will help you better understand future lessons and how sentences are formed. You'll also see where all those different word endings come from. You'll learn what declension is, see examples of how nouns and adjectives are declined, and understand how gender, number, and case work together in sentences. Declension is how we form different versions of articles, pronouns, nouns and adjectives for each grammatical case. You've already seen declension in action when learning articles, personal pronouns, and variable numbers like 1, 3, and 4. Here's a quick reminder of the definite articles for each gender, number, and case. We'll be using this shortly when I show you how both nouns and adjectives are declined. I will show you the declension pattern of the masculine nouns ending in os. Let's look at how the noun γιατρός, the word for doctor, is declined in the singular and the plural. In the singular we say ο γιατρός, του γιατρού, τον γιατρό, γιατρέ. And in the plural we say οι γιατροί, των γιατρών, τους γιατρούς, γιατροί. All nouns that belong to the same category with γιατρός follow the same declension pattern and suffixes. Adjectives usually have 3 different genders and 2 numbers. Let's look at the most common group of adjectives, those ending in os, ή, o, using the adjective καλός, καλή, καλό as an example. Feel free to pause the video here to study the chart. Now let's put everything together, article, adjective and noun. In the singular we say ο καλός γιατρός, του καλού γιατρού, τον καλό γιατρό, καλέ γιατρέ. And in the plural we say οι καλοί γιατροί, των καλών γιατρών, τους καλούς γιατρούς, καλοί γιατροί. These examples show how everything agrees in gender, number and case. Ο καλός γιατρός ακούει τον ασθενή. Οι γνώμες των καλών γιατρών μετράνε. Θαυμάζω τους καλούς γιατρούς. I want to clarify something here. Nouns and adjectives that follow the same declension pattern as the ones I showed you must have both the same suffix and the stress on the same syllable. When declining words, sometimes the stress moves to a different syllable, or an extra syllable is added to the word. But I will not get into this yet. This was a short, beginner-friendly introduction to declension. Practice what you've learned by declining the noun ο αδελφός and the adjective δυνατός, δυνατή, δυνατό. Then combine the masculine article with the masculine form of the adjective and the noun. Try forming sentences, in all cases and both numbers, just like we did earlier with ο καλός γιατρός. Do the same with ο δυνατός αδελφός. I hope you now understand what declension is and how we match gender, number and case in a sentence. It may seem complex at first, but it follows clear patterns. And if 6 and 7-year-olds can learn it, so can you. Different genders and word endings help the speaker communicate clearly. In many cases, words can be left out because the endings of the other words already give us all the necessary information. That's it for today's lesson. I wanted to explain how declension works because it will help you understand Greek more deeply, especially with so many important lessons ahead. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe or leave a comment. Thanks for watching and τα λέμε σύντομα!